Before that you have to mark the ICRs which are known, correct?
Yes, sir. Diagram में mark करना होगा.
डायग्राम में मार्क करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, मींस सपोज यहाँ पे कम the first link 1 and 2. Here you will get I1, 2. By inspection you have to mark this. यहाँ पे I1, 2 मिल गया. Now at A, which ICR you will get here? I first. I 2 and 3 are connected here, na? Means I2, 3, correct?
I2, 3.
Correct.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I2, 3.
I2, 3. Next at C.
I3, 5.
Correct. I3, 5. I3, 5. Next at B.
I3, 4.
4.
I3,
I3, 4.
I4, correct. Next, यहाँ पे कितने लिंक है? 3 and 4 हो गया, and 1 and 4. 1 and 4 क्या रहेगा? ICR of slider with
vertical line है.
infinity.
Infinity.
correct. Infinity. ये आ गया I1, 4. I1. Okay, now come to this point D. यहाँ पे कौन सा आएगा?
I5, 5, 6.
Correct. I5, 6. यहाँ पे I5, 6. Then यहाँ पे कैसे आएगा? Fixed link with respect to 6. Slider with respect to
I1,
6 link is
6.
equal.
I1, 6.
लेकिन direction
Horizontal.
correct, horizontal, perpendicular to the motion. I1, 6. Here is the I1, 6. कितने मिल गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, always you will get the 7 number of ICRs by inspection. If there are 6 number of links, if there are 6 number of links, you will get always the 7 number of ICRs. Okay, got it? What is the next step? You have to find out the next. कितने रह गए यहाँ पे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number of ICRs are remaining. Okay, but there is no need to find out all the ICRs or the location of all the ICRs. You have to see. You have to see in the numerical what you have to find out. Okay, now in the given problem you have to find out which term? Velocity of B, correct? And second is velocity of B. Velocity of B, you have to write down the formula. What is the formula to find out velocity B? Okay, or velocity B, or B is a part of which link? B is a part of
AB. AB.
A, B, right? Means the link number 3, na? Correct? Link number 3 means
Yes.
you have to find out the angular velocity of link 3. And the radius you will get here. Now radius you will get here, the distance of B from the ICR. अभी ICR कौन सा आएगा यहाँ? Okay? Distance of B from ICR of link 3. Of link 3 with respect to 1 means 1, 3. If you get this one, it is very easy to find out. Okay, समझ में आया? फॉर्मूला कैसे लिखा मैंने? वेलोसिटी B मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ B इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लिंक नंबर 3 मींस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ओमेगा 3. ओके, थर्ड नंबर लिंक ध्यान में रखना. मींस मुझे B का डिस्टेंस चाहिए. कहां से? ICR कौन सा चाहिए? 1, 3. ICR 1, 3. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला फॉर वेलोसिटी D. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? ओमेगा कौन सा आएगा? ओमेगा B is a part of which link?
Fifth.
It is a part of fifth link, correct? Fifth. Okay, means the radius कौन सा चाहिए मुझे? The distance of D from which ICR? It is very simple. कौन सा ICR चाहिए मुझे? 1 with respect to which one? 1 with respect to, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे 1 with respect to 3 था. मीन जो भी लिंक है वो मीन्स 1 with respect to 5. 1 with respect to 5. Okay, got it? फॉर्मूला कैसे आया? All of you understand? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
सर एक्सप्लेन करो ना एक बार फिर से.
अभी मुझे वेलोसिटी B निकालना है. ओके, नाउ B इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लिंक नंबर 3 मींस मुझे ओमेगा 3 निकालना है. ओके, मींस ओमेगा 3 हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट वेलोसिटी कैसे निकलते हैं, रेडियस इनटू ओमेगा, ओमेगा 3 मिल गया मुझे, रेडियस कौन सा आएगा फिर, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ बी फ्रॉम द सेंटर, जो सेंटर रहेगा इट इज योर आईसीआर, ओके, डिस्टेंस ऑफ बी मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे बी, कहां से था कहां तक, इसका सेंटर कहां पे रहेगा आई, आई वन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कौन सा लिंक है, थर्ड नंबर, बिकॉज द बी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ थर्ड नंबर, करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट सपोज वेलोसिटी डी निकालना है मुझे, नाउ इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फिफ्थ लिंक, मींस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ओमेगा 5, omega 5 means the distance of d from which center, I15, got it,
Yes.
okay, मींस तुम्हें क्या निकालना है, I13 and I15 निकालना है बस मुझे यहाँ पे, ठीक है। नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ हियर द सर्कल, केनेडीज थ्योरम से कौन से आईसीआर निकालने हैं अभी मुझे, व्हिच आर द टू, I1 I13 and
I15.
I1, okay. Now how many points you have to mark on this circle, the number of links ना,
Yes, sir.
कितने आएंगे, 6, 1
6 points.
2, correct, 3 4 5 and 6, and I have to join the ICRs, to join the links, those ICRs are known, कौन कौन से ICR यहाँ पे मार्क किए मुझे, I12, करेक्ट ना, then I23, I56 यहाँ पे, next I35, then I14 and I16, got it, okay,
I34 भी आएगा.
I34, हाँ correct, I34 is there, I34, okay, now you have to find out which ICR, I13, suppose you have to join here, I13 find out करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें, I13 मुझे निकालना है यहाँ पे, okay, okay, I13 के लिए क्या करेंगे, you have to join the 1 and 3 point on the circle, यहाँ पे, now the line joining 1 and 3 make a two triangles, which are the two triangles,
1, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 3.
correct, 1 2 3 and 1 4 3, you will get the line, means first कौन सा first triangle consider करो, 1 2 3, you will get the ICR,
I 1, 2 and I 2, 3.
correct, I12 I23, then next angle you have to consider 1 4 3, you will get here I
1,
4,
4
correct,
and 3, 4.
1
I1
4 and 3 4.
I34. Now come to the configuration diagram and see these ICRs, I12 I23 is here, I12 यहाँ पे है, okay, I12 is here, I23 is here, now line joining these 2 points and you have to extend this line, okay. Now second line you will get here I14 I34, where is the I34, यहाँ पे I34 है, यहाँ पे I14 है, okay, means you have to extend this infinity line, where this infinity line intersect the previous line, you will get which ICR,
I13.
correct, I13, okay. Now next you have to find out which one, I15, correct,
1 5.
I15, यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो ही निकलने हैं हमें, I13 and I15, बस I15 के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, which line you have to join here, 1 and 5 point, correct, this one,
1.
is the red color. You will get the two adjacent triangles, which are the two adjacent triangles,
1, 6, 5 and 1, 3, 5.
correct, 1 6 5 and 1 3 5 is the two triangles, means 1 6 5 you have to consider and tell me the line, I
सर 165 आणि 145 येईल का?
4 5 नाही, there is no line between this 4 and 5, okay, ये ICR मिला ही नहीं हमें, 1 3 5 is the triangle. This one, 1, 3, 5. Okay, and 1, 6, 5.
Okay.
Consider first 1, 6, 5 and tell me the ICR. I1, 6. Correct. And second one, I
5, 6.
5,
6.
correct. And second triangle you have to consider 1, 3, 5. Tell me the answer. I 1, 3.
I 1 3
I
I
3 5.
3 5.
I 1, 3 and I 3, 5. Okay, now come to the figure. Where is I1, 6, I5, 6? यहाँ पे I5, 6 है at the D and I1, 6 means it is an infinity line. You have to consider this line. Okay. Now next one I1, 3, I3, 5. यहाँ पे I3, 5 है at the C. I1, 3 यहाँ पे है. Now you have to join this. Join करके क्या करना है? You have to extend this line. Now where this line intersect the previous infinity line, you will get here the which ICR I 1, 5. Correct? Got it? समझ में आया?
सर ती लाईन थ्रू पॉइंट सी येणार का?
Through point C because I35 is at the C. तो दो पॉइंट ज्वाइन करके लाइन निकालो और एक्सटेंड करो. Okay? Now I have to come to the
okay, sir.
answer. See, the first one is velocity B is equal to omega 3 into I13B. Means कौन सा डिस्टेंस यहाँ से यहाँ तक था? I13 to B डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Correct? ये वाला distance. You have to measure this distance. Put here into omega 3. You have to measure this distance in terms of meter. And into omega 3, you will get the answer. Okay, but how can I find out the omega 3? You know omega 3? Hello? Omega 3 पता है? We don't know the omega 3, correct? We know the omega 2. What is the omega 2? Anyone? Omega 2 निकाला है. यहाँ पे
Omega OA 2.09 radian per second.
Omega OA is nothing but your omega 2 because it is the link number 2 means 2.09. Okay, means omega 2 is equal to 2.09 radian per second. Okay, means you have to find out omega 3 by the formula. See here the formula I will write here. Omega 2 upon omega 3. What is the formula? Is equal to क्या आएगा? What is the formula? I 1 3, correct? And I multiplication of 2 and 3. Is it right? Divided by क्या आएगा? Divided by I 1 I1
I12.
correct. भूल गए सब. And I2 3. Okay, here omega 2 is known here 2.09. I13 to I23 distance you have to measure here means I13 to I23. यहाँ से यहाँ तक A तक का distance measure करो. You have to put the value. Then I12 to I23 means A to O का distance measure करो. यहाँ पे put करो. Means you will get here omega 3. Okay. यहाँ पे omega 3 मिल जाएगा. Now you have to put here the omega 3. Is it right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, omega 3 मिल गया. I13 B distance measure करो. You will get the velocity B. Okay. Now similarly you have to find out the omega 5. How can find out the omega 5? Omega 5 कैसे find out करेंगे? I will write here at the right corner, bottom corner. Omega 5 मुझे निकालना है. कैसे निकालेंगे omega 5 upon
Omega 3 upon omega 5.
because the 3 is connected to 5. Omega 5 or omega 3 upon omega 5. I will write here omega 5 upon omega 3. You have to write down the formula accordingly. What you will get here? I13
I13.
I3 5 or I53 I3 5 divided by I15 I3 5. Okay, now in that case I15 is known here. I13 to I35 डिस्टेंस मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक का ये डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है यहाँ पे C तक का. Then I15 I35 मीन्स C2 I15 डिस्टेंस यू हैव टू मेजर एंड पुट हियर. ओमेगा 3 ऊपर मिल गया मुझे. नाउ ओमेगा 5 आपको मिल जाएगा.
सर ओमेगा 5 आपण ओमेगा 3 कसं काय वरती 3 यायला पाहिजे ना 3 ला 5 कनेक्टेड आहे तर
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ओमेगा 3 अपॉन ओमेगा 5 और ओमेगा 5 अपॉन ओमेगा 3. Accordingly your formula get changed.
ओके
Okay, omega 5 मिल गया. Now you will get the velocity. Got it? Okay.
यस सर.
एक दो लोग ही रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे, बाकी क्या कर रहे? दीपम, हर्ष, प्रस्तुत, निर्भय, सभी सुन रहे हैं, बाकी बंद करके चले गए. शाश्वत, साहू, ऋषभ.
सर.
हाँ, समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, I have to take down the screenshot of this. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Okay.
हाँ, इसने सॉल्व किया है क्या? सौरभ, सौरीन, दास, सबके समझ में आया ना? Okay, done. ऋषभ,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, you have to take down the screenshot of this also. Now this is the problem. Okay, now take down the next problem. We will see this one. Sixth number. Sorry, fifth number. Anyone tell me how to draw this figure? Okay, now this is the problem. OA is given here 150, AB 375, AC BC 5, BQ 200. Rank OA makes 150 RPM. Speed of OA is given and it is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. C. Velocity of piston P. Okay. फिगर दिख रहा है ना सबको?
Yes.
How to draw this figure? Anyone?
Yes.
कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे?
पहले फिक्स पॉइंट लेंगे सर.
First of all, you have to locate the point O and Q. Correct. First of all, you have to locate the point O is here, Q is here. Yes, I will draw first of all first line here, center line. is passing through the O. Then you have to draw the second center line at a distance 400 mm. Means you have to take down here the scale. Suppose 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm. You have to draw the second line below the first line at a distance 4 centimeter. Now this line, second center line passing through the Q. Correct? Next, you have to randomly take down O on this first center line. Suppose यहाँ पे लिया मैंने O. Okay, this is the O point. Now through this O, draw a vertical center line. From this vertical center line, the Q point is at how much distance? यहाँ पे दिया है 62.5 ना?
Yes.
हाँ, 62.5 means आपको approximately 0.6 mm पे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Here you will get the Q point. यहाँ पे आएगा Q. आए समझ में? सेकंड, नेक्स्ट. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? You have to draw this OA. OA is given here, directly horizontal line. Now first of all draw the OA. यहाँ पे whose distance is 150 mm is 1.5 centimeter. यहाँ पे A आ गया. Now next you have to locate this B point. यहाँ पे B is the intersection of BQ and AQ. AB. A is known here. Q is known here. Let's take down in compass AB distance in your compass. AB is given here 3.75 centimeter. Draw an arc. यहाँ पे arc आ जाएगा. Then you have to take down the Q as a center and BQ distance in your compass. BQ is given here 2 centimeter. Draw an arc. यहाँ पे intersect करेगा. Now you have to join this intersection point. You will get this B point. Okay. Now next you have to mark this C point. C is the intersection of BC and AC. Take down A as a center. Distance AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Draw an arc. यहाँ पे arc आ जाएगा. Okay. Then B as a center and BC distance in your compass 62.5 means 0.6. यहाँ पे C आ जाएगा. Now you have to join this B, C and AC. यहाँ पे C. Okay. Now ABC is a hatching line, means it is a one link. It is a ternary link. Okay. Now next, take down C as a center and distance CP in your compass 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Now where this arc intersects the second or the center line passing through this Q, we have to mark the point P. यहाँ पे P आ जाएगा. Now join this CP. Now here is the slider P. Okay, got it? समझ में आया कैसे निकालना है?
हाँ सर.
Okay, now what is given here? Speed of OA is given here, means NOA is given here 150 RPM. Now you have to find out omega OA. कितना आएगा? Find out omega OA is equal to 2 pi n upon 6. कितना आया? How much? हाँ. I have to find out velocity OA. Velocity OA
15.7.
कितना है? 15.7. 15.70 radian per second. Correct. Okay, now find out velocity OA is equal to distance OA in meter into omega OA. आ रहा है? velocity OA कितना आ रहा है? Wait fast. OA is, what is OA is equal to 150 mm na? 150 means 0.15 meter. into 15.70 कितना हो गया?
2.355.
2.35
2.35.
meter per second. Okay. I have to solve this problem. Okay. Now this is your space diagram with scale. Now we know the omega OA. Omega OA is equal to 15.7. 15.7. Okay. Now what you have to find out here? Velocity of P. P is a part of which link? Now first of all, before that you have to mark the number of links or give the number to the link, correct? Fixed link is your 1, means at Q it is fixed 1, at O it is fixed O1, at P guide is there is 1. Now you have to give the second number to which link? Which link? Second number, input link.
OA.
A is the second one. Now OA is connected to which link? Next link, third number.
Ternary link.
ABC.
Which one?
Ternary
Third
link.
is Turner link. Which is the Turner link? A, B, C is the third link. Means total this one is the third link. Okay, A, B, C. Don't count A, B is a one link, B, C is another link, A, C is another link. There is a hatching portion, means it is a ternary link. Correct? Now third link is connected to which link? Third link is connected to
BQ.
BQ. Is the fourth link. Then again third link is connected to another link. Which one?
PC.
CP.
CP. PC is the fifth. And last one, at the end of CP there is a slider. This is your slider, is your sixth link. Got it? Is it right? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Sir.
I have to find out the number of ICRs. How many ICRs you will get here? N is equal to number of links are 6 into bracket 6 minus 1 divided by 2 means how many ICRs you will get here? Again same 15, correct? Okay. Now you will get the 15 number of ICR. You have to make a table here. Again, it is similar to the previous one. I will not repeat here. Okay. Okay. 15 number of links, sorry, 6 number of links means you will get here on the horizontal line or row. There are 6 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 number of links. In each column, you have to write down the ICR of that link with respect to other links. Yes, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा I12, then I13, I14, I15, I16, then I23, I24, I25, I26, I34, I35, I36, I45, I46, I56. Correct? It is similar to the previous. Okay. Now next, first of all, see what you have to find out here. You have to find out the velocity of P. Means the P is a part of which link? P
Fifth
is a
link.
part of which link? Fifth link means you have to
EC.
find out omega 5, correct? You have to find out
Yes.
omega 5. Okay, omega 5. And the radius you will get here, the distance of P from which ICR? I?
1 5.
Correct, 1 5. I15. Okay, but you have to find out here omega 5 because it is not given. You have given only omega 2. कैसे निकालेंगे omega 5? Anyone? How can find out the omega 5? यहाँ पे लिखेंगे omega 5 कैसे कनेक्ट लिखेंगे यहाँ पे omega 5 is connected to, fifth link is connected to which link? Fifth link is connected to third, na?
Yes.
Omega 3.
Third.
You have to write down your formula. I13, I35 divided by I15, I35. Okay. यहाँ पे मिल गया omega 3, but we don't know the omega 3. So you have to find out before that omega 3. Omega 3 upon omega 2. Okay. You have to find out here omega 2 3 here. I12, I25 divided by I13, I25. Is it right? Is समझ में आया? Means first of all you have to find out this formula and then you have to find out this one. Okay. Means omega 2. We know the omega 2. You have to find out omega 3 by using this formula. Okay. Then you have to find out by using this omega 3. You have to find out omega 5. Okay. Once you make a table, you have to mark the ICRs in the given configuration diagram. Okay. At 1, यहाँ पे 1 and 2 means यहाँ पे ICR कौन सा आएगा? I12. यहाँ पे I12 हो गया. Second, at A, which ICR you will get here? At A. Anyone tell me? At A, I
1 3
I23.
3
I23.
2 3.
2 3.
You will get here I23. Then at B you will get which ICR?
I34.
Correct. I34. Then at C you will get which ICR?
I 3 5.
Correct. I35. I35. Then at Q you will get which ICR? I14. Correct. I35 हो गया. I14 हो गया. Correct. Now next at P यहाँ पे I
1 6.
5 6.
6.
5 6. At P.
5
I56.
6.
Correct. I56. And one with respect to 6 is your slider. Perpendicular to the motion of slider is the ICR I. Which one? 1 6 is the infinity. यहाँ पे I1. Okay. Means if you see the previous problem or the list of the previous problem, you will get the same ICRs. Correct? Same number of ICRs. 1 2 2 3 3 4 5 6 3 5 1 4 6 1 6. Correct? Again, if you see the formula, you have to find out the omega 5. You will get the omega 5 by using the omega 3. You will get the omega 3 by using the omega 2. We know the omega 2. Then you have to find out omega 3. Omega 3 upon omega 2, you have to write down the formula. From that formula, you will get which ICR you have to find out. Okay, suppose we write the first formula omega 3 upon omega 2. You will get I12, I25. I12 is present in the given configuration diagram. I25 is present in the given configuration diagram. I25 है क्या? Sorry, I23 है. I23, not 5. I23 is present here. Then I13 is unknown. Means by using this Henry's theorem, you have to find out this term I13. Okay. means you have to draw a circle. On that circle, you have to mark the number of links. There are 6 number of links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have to join the points. Those ICRs are known from the table 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, you have to join here. Then 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 4. Then 3, 5. And 1, 6. Yeah, 1, 6. Okay. Now this is the line, 1, 6 and 5. Okay. Now to find out the first ICR, I13. I13 means you have to join a line. Joining this 1 and 3 is the I13. You have to join the point 1 and 3. You will get the two triangles. Which are the two triangles? कौन से दो ट्रायंगल है?
I23.
1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3.
Correct. Means you will get here 1, 2, 3 means I1, 2 and I2, 3. Correct. And second line you will get by using the triangle 1, 4, 3 means I1, 4 और second one कौन सा line number रहेगा?
I34.
Correct. I34. Now come to the configuration diagram. I1 to I2, 3 is here. I1 to I2, 3 is here. I will extend this line. Second I14, I34. Where is the I14? यहाँ पे I14 है. Where is the I34? यहाँ पे I34 है. Means QB. You have to see this QB and you have to extend it. And you have to extend this line. Where these two line intersect, you will get I1. Got it? Once you will get I13, you have to find out omega 3. यहाँ पे. You have to put the value of omega 2 is 15.7. I1 to I2 distance यहाँ पे put करना है means O to A distance and I13 I23 means I13 to I23 distance यहाँ पे put करो, you will get the omega 3. Okay. Once you will get omega 3, you have to find out omega 5. You have to write down the formula. In that formula, I15 is the missing. Means you have to find out next ICR is your I15 by using a Kennedy's theorem. You have to join this 1 and 5. यहाँ पे join करना है. Now line joining 1, 5. Make a two adjacent triangles. Tell me which are the two triangles. यहाँ पे 1, 6.
135, 165.
Correct. 165 and 135 means it is similar to the previous one. Means you have to write down here 135 means I13, I35. And next angle is your 165 is your I16 and I65 or 56. Now come to the configuration diagram. I13, I35 is here. I13 is here. I35 कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. C ना? Means you have to join this. Then I16, I56. I16, I56 is the infinity. This one. Extend this one. Means इसको extend करना है बस. जहाँ पे intersect होगा, you will get here I15. Now you have to find out the omega 5.
कोणता पॉइंट एक्सटेंड केलं सर?
You have to extend first I13, I35 join करना है यहाँ पे. I13 और I35 means C point. I13 to C point join करो और उसको extend करो बस यहाँ पे. ये line extend हो जाएगी. Okay. Then I16, I56. This is I16, I56. यहाँ पे intersect होगा I15. Okay. समझ में आया?
सर परत एकदा सांगा ना.
I13 समजलं तुला?
हाँ
नेक्स्ट कौन सा निकालना है? I15, करेक्ट। I15 कैसे मिलेगा तुम्हें? विच पॉइंट यू हैव टू जॉइन फर्स्ट? I13 I35, ओके। यहाँ पे I13 है, इज इट राइट? यहाँ पे I135 है, कहाँ पे? सी पे। यू हैव टू जॉइन दिस I13 एंड सी, छोटा लाइन आ जाएगा, ओके। एंड यू हैव टू एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन, दिस वन। नेक्स्ट लाइन कौन सा है? I16 I56 मींस दिस वन, इन्फिनिटी लाइन। यू हैव टू एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन, जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट होगा you will get I15. Got it? समजलं?
नाही समजलं सर. I35 कुठून कसा एक्सटेंड करायचा?
I35 इथं आहे ना, सी वरती I35 आहे and I13
हा
दिस वन हियर, ये लाइन ज्वाइन करना है, 2 पॉइंट्स। I13 मुझे मिल गया यहाँ पे, और मेरा I13 कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे। इसको ज्वाइन करूंगा और यू हैव टू एक्सटेंड इट,
ओके
इसको एक्सटेंड करना है। तीसरा पॉइंट कौन सा? लाइन कौन सा है मेरा? I16 I56 इन्फिनिटी वाला, यहाँ पे I15। बोल भाई, भाई समझ में आया? Okay. Then you will get the I15. You have to find out the omega 5. Omega 5 कैसे put करेंगे यहाँ पे? I13 I35 distance means I13 to I35 यहाँ पे C पे है A distance divided by I15 I35 means I15 to directly C distance डाल दो वहाँ पे। Omega 3 you have to find out by using the previous formula. Okay, you will get the omega 5. I have to put the value here, omega 5 in the formula of velocity P. Okay. Now the radius is given here, the distance I15 P. I15 यहाँ पे है, P यहाँ पे है, means ये वाला distance. This one distance is the radius. Okay. In meter you have to write down and you have to find out the velocity. Got it? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
हा सर. डायग्रामचं प्रपोर्शन चुकलेलं म्हणून कळलं नव्हतं.
Okay. Now you have to take down the screenshot of this. Okay. Take down the screenshot of this one also. I'll have to mark your attendance first. 1 minute. Huh? All of you mark your attendance. I will send it to the group. Don't mark proxy. Okay, all of you mark your attendance and you can leave. Now see here. Now next lecture we will start the relative velocity method. Okay. Now all of you prepare all these 4 figures, or you can redraw it with scale. All the 4 figures you can redraw it on the new page. Listen carefully. From next lecture we will start the relative velocity method. We require all these 4 figures. All of you draw on separate page. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.